Hi, I'm Carolyn Bird, and I love this neighborhood called Madison. That's just a short stroll to downtown Campbell. This is a super stylish home with a modern farmhouse vibe and dazzling design. Let's go take a look inside. 470 Sam Cava Lane is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath modern townhome packed with style and character. This home was built just 4 years ago by local builder Ropes & Homes, a master of great design and great neighborhoods. As you walk into the entryway, you will be immediately impressed by the high ceilings and thoughtful mudroom design. An island kitchen is full of all the modern appliances and counter space you need to create memorable meals, including a charming built-in banquette for cozy dining. Gorgeous wide plank hardwood flows throughout this home, adding warmth and coziness. A mid-level guest room or home office is light-filled and bright, with an oversized window giving you tree views of the neighborhood. Upstairs is a serene master suite with a marble, spa-like bath and tremendous walk-in closet. A second ensuite just down the hall has its own stylish bath and mountain views. This enviable street location is just steps from the Los Gatos Creek Trail, downtown Campbell, the farmer's market, and the prune yard. Strap on your running shoes, grab your bike, or just stroll a few blocks to enjoy all this neighborhood has to offer. Could this be your next dream home? To schedule a private tour, just call, text, or email me. I look forward to hearing from you.